Born on March 26, 1930, in El Paso, Texas, Sandra Day would go on to break the glass ceiling in the legal world. Raised on a cattle ranch in Arizona, she developed a strong work ethic that would be evident throughout her career. Sandra excelled in academia from an early age, eventually graduating from Stanford University with a degree in economics. She continued her education at Stanford Law School, where she served on the prestigious Stanford Law Review. Despite her impressive credentials, Sandra faced gender discrimination in her early career, struggling to find a job as a lawyer. She initially worked without pay as a deputy county attorney in San Mateo, California, before starting her career in earnest. Sandra Day O'Connor made history by becoming the first woman to serve as the majority leader in a state senate, in Arizona. Her judicial career began when she was appointed to the Arizona Court of Appeals by Governor Bruce Babbitt. The milestone of her career came in 1981 when President Ronald Reagan nominated her as the first woman to the Supreme Court. Her confirmation by the United States Senate was unanimous, a testament to her qualifications and bipartisan respect. On the bench, Justice O'Connor was known for her detailed legal opinions and pragmatic approach to case law. Her swing vote in many decisions affirmed her role as a crucial centrist in a deeply divided court. Among her significant opinions was upholding the constitutionality of the use of affirmative action in college admissions. She also authored the majority opinion in Planned Parenthood v. Casey, which reaffirmed the core holdings of Roe v. Wade. Sandra Day O'Connor's tenure on the Supreme Court lasted for almost a quarter of a century, providing stability and wisdom. She retired in 2006, expressing the desire to spend more time with her husband suffering from Alzheimer's disease. Even in retirement, she remained active in law, championing civics education and judicial independence. Her legacy is celebrated with the Sandra Day O'Connor Institute, dedicated to continuing her work outside the courtroom. Sandra Day O'Connor's impactful career has served as an inspiration for women and future generations in the legal profession. Her decisions and influence on the Supreme Court continue to shape American law and society today. That was a glimpse into Sandra Day O'Connor's life. Comment to suggest new story. Share, like and follow for more.